For example, the problem is sir or ma'am?
Ma'am.
Okay, you say ma'am. How are you this morning, ma'am? Part 1.
One.
Yeah. Different, you see? How's it going? How do you do? How are you? Different member, different day. Friday, Thursday, Saturday. Practice, practice. Ma'am, how are you this morning? Repeat.
Ma'am, how are you this morning?
How may I assist you this morning?
How am I?
No, this is may.
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 How may
I
I
assist
assist you?
you, ma'am. Is ma'am.
How may I assist you, ma'am?
Ma'am with M.
Ma'am.
M.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
This is the new madame. See? Madame in 2022, in the future. Ma'am.
Ma'am.
Repeat. Am. Repeat. Me.
Me.
Am.
Am. Me. Am.
Perfect.
Me. Am.
2 parts.
Me.
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 Am. Like
Am.
I am. Repeat. I am.
I am.
I am.
I am.
What? Look, I am.
I am. Oh.
What is your job? Your job?
I am manager.
Manager. Repeat. Hello, how are you this morning?
Hello, how are you this morning?
How may I assist you?
How may I assist you?
I am the manager.
I am the manager.
I'm in charge of problems and complaints.
I am charges, problems and complaints.
I'm responsible for complaints.
I am responsible for complaints.
Member complaints. It's the member.
I'm responsible for member complaints.
Member complaints.
Complaints.
And then repeat again. How may I assist you? How may I assist you? Entonces todos tienen 2 partes. Los vas a saludar y les vas a decir que cómo les puedes ayudar. Y puedes ir practicando, subirle el nivel y decirle quién eres y qué haces aquí en este lugar de negocios, tú qué haces aquí, para identificarte con información de la empresa, información tuya. Este sería el mejor nivel, darles información de la empresa y darles información tuya después de que les ofreces ayuda y los saludas. Okay, 2 parts. Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Saturday? Hi, how are you this morning? How may I assist you? Repeat.
How are you this morning? How may I assist you?
Excellent. That's for Saturday. Next. Sunday.
Sunday.
Member number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. For Sunday. Sunday, different member. Sir or ma'am. We need greetings, 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 greetings. No greetings. We need to go to the computer. Greetings. You see? Greetings.
Greetings, ¿son saludos?
Yes, greetings.
Greetings.
Greetings for the customer. Here are the greetings. Professional greetings for work. For work with the members. Repeat your greetings. Your greetings, repeat.
How's it going this morning?
Yes.
Hi, how do you do?
Yes.
And Saturday, hello, how are you? How are you this morning?
Okay, we need different. This one, look. Repeat. How have
How have
you been?
you been?
Hi.
Hi,
How have you been?
how have you been? This morning,
Sunday. Different greeting, different member, different day. Every day is different. More practice.
should be.
More practice because your English, it's not good. Okay, repeat. Hi.
Hi, how have you been this morning?
Sir, ma'am.
Okay, hi,
Put right here and everything. Sir, ma'am. Sir, ma'am. Sir, ma'am. Sir, ma'am. Right here. It's very important for the gringos. The sir and the ma'am.
okay, hi, how are you? Hi, how have you been, sir?
Perfect. Now part 2. May I assist you with anything? Repeat. May I?
May I?
This is may.
May
See? May is the same.
I?
I is you. Assist is the help. You, sir. You, ma'am. With anything. You are the boss. Anything.
May I assistant? May I assistant you?
No.
Assist.
Look.
Assist. May I assist you with anything?
And repeat, sir. Repeat, ma'am. It's very important.
Assist. Okay.
And Monday. Next member. Next day. Monday. Monday. Hello.
Hello.
How are you doing?
How are you doing?
Repeat. Doing.
Doing.
Doing. Like duende.
Doing.
You know?
Doing.
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 Don't say de. Duende. Doing.
Doing.
Yeah, you know, like the little duende
How are you?
for Santa Claus.
Yeah.
How are you doing?
How are you doing?
Doing.
Okay.
Okay. Monday. Hi, sir. How are you doing?
Hi, sir. How are you doing? Doing.
Part 2. What can I do for you, sir? This
What-
morning.
What can I do for you this morning, sir?
Perfect. Monday. That's for Monday. 2 parts. To help the members. Assist the members. Okay, this is only first part. This is the part to say hi. This is like a greetings. Everything is greetings for work, professional. How can I help you? What can I do for you? It's like a greeting. Okay. Repeat. How are you doing this morning?
Hi, how do you doing this morning, sir?
What can I do for you?
What can I do for you today,
Sir,
sir?
ma'am.
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay, let's practice. Monday. 2 parts.
Hi, how do you doing, sir? What can I do for you today, sir?
Perfect. That's perfect. Okay, go to your office and practice Monday.
Monday.
2 parts. 2 parts. Go to the office. Ready?
Right. Hi, how are you doing, sir? What can I do for you today?
Excellent. Excellent. Now, let's practice Sunday.
Talk about
Sunday. Repeat.
Sunday. Hi, how have you been, sir? I assisting you with anything, sir?
Good. Okay, go to your office. Let's practice Monday.
Monday. Monday?
Yeah.
Hi, how do you doing, sir? What can I for you today, sir?
Excellent. Now, Sunday.
Sunday. Okay. Hi, how have you been, sir? I assisting you with anything, sir?
Perfect. Now, Saturday?
Saturday.
Saturday. Saturday.
Hello, how are you this morning, sir? How may I assist you?
Excellent.
Assist you.
Yes. Friday.
Hi, how do you do? Hi, how do you do this morning, sir? Can I be of assistance?
Excellent. Can I be of assistance? And
Can I be?
Thursday. Today. How can I help you?
How is going this morning, sir? How can I help you today?
Perfect. Perfect. Okay, now the problem. Take a seat. Let's put the problem. The complaint. The complaint is the problem. Complaints. Problems and complaints. Okay? Thursday, today.
Thursday. How's it going this morning, sir? How can I help you today?
Yes, I have a problem. This is the problem. Whatever, right? Many problems. You, the manager, you say, yes. Repeat yes.
Yes.
I will. This is will.
I
Repeat.
will.
I will.
I will.
Or I'll.
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 I'll see. Repeat. I'll see.
I'll see.
Perfect. This is the action. I'll see.
I'll see.
Like I check. I correct. Repeat.
I'll correct.
I'll correct. I'm so sorry.
I'm so sorry.
I'll take care of.
I take care.